Hello student, in this session we will discuss subtopic 2.4 from unit number 2, that is use of operating system tools. The course outcome for this is B. Use operating system tools to perform various functions and will able to attain the learning outcome as work with multiple Linux terminals and basic commands. We already discussed the operating system tools in previous session, that is user management and the security policy. In this session, we will discuss the device management, performance management and the task scheduler. The first is device management. It is the process of managing the implementation, operation and maintenance of physical or virtual devices by operating system. All Linux devices files are located in /dev directory. Device manager for Linux 2.6 kernel is the udev package. Udev manages the device nodes in /dev directory dynamically. It creates the symlinks for accessing the devices as well as removing the devices. It also handles the /dev directory and all user space action while adding or removing the devices. The udev is successor of devfs and the hotplug. Another udev management tool is udev ADM monitor, which is used to show the complete event environment related to the system. It listens to the kernel events and events sent out by the udev group and print the dev path of the event to the console. Another operating system tool is performance monitor. It is used to monitor and debug the Linux system performance and to find the actual causes of performance problem. One of the command is the top command. This particular command is used to display information about the status of local system, including information about current processes. It is also useful for system administrator to monitor and take correct action. The syntax for the top command is top and option. It dynamically displays all the process status of the system. So here we can see that the top command displays all the tasks that are running, sleeping and in stop mode. It also shows the details related to the utilization of CPU for user, system and other information. Also shows the details of memory and the swap memory, how much has been used and how much is free. All the details related to the various processes that are currently running, we can see over here the details related to the PID, the details related to user and the CPU utilization, memory utilization and the commands currently executing. Another performance monitor command is the VMStat command. This particular command gives information about system processes, memory, paging, I/O blocks, then disk and CPU activities. It is also known as virtual memory statistic reporter. The syntax for VMStat is VMStat and options. One of the examples given over here is VMStat/in, which displays the active and inactive memory of the system running. The example over here is VMStat command. So within this, the VMStat command, it displays all the details related to the processes running. Here, the first column R, it displays the processes waiting for runtime. The second column B, it gives the processes in uninterrupted sleep. The third column is memory related details, that is how much swap, how much free, how much buffer and cache memory is there. The fourth column gives the details about the processes swapped in and swapped out. The fourth column gives us the information related to IO, that is how much block has been received and how much block has been sent. So here we can see it is 51 and 7. The next column, that is the system related information, the number of interrupts and the context switch per second, it shows as 49 and 132. Then CPU related information, that is the users 3, system related processes 2, then the ideal time is 95 and last is the waiting time for IO. So all these details we will able to see with the VMStat command. Another variation is VMStat-A, which displays the details related to inactive and the active memories in the system. Another command is task scheduler, that is the operating system tool. The cron is a task scheduler which runs the command at predefined times and intervals. Say for example, we want to execute any particular command every day. Every day we want to take a backup, or every day we want to send the mail, or any other activity we want to perform continuously or periodically. Then in that case, we can make use of this cron. Also, we can define the periodicity. For example, to run the cron every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, every hour, or at a particular time on Sunday night. So these are some of the examples, that is sending email, then backup of the data and update the latest patches. So to do this, the cron tab utility is used to which is used to install, removes, then list and allow us to edit the cron tab file. The syntax for it is cron tab -u username and option. The options are -e, it is used to run the text editor, -l, it displays the contents of cron tab file, -r, it removes the or deletes the cron tab file, and -u, it works on the user's cron tab file. So this is all about the various operating system tools, device management, performance management, and the task scheduler, in which in the device management we discuss the UDEV utility and the UDEV ADM monitor, whereas in performance management we discuss the top command and the VMStat command, which are used to give all the details related to the running processes and the memories in the system. And the task scheduler, we discuss the cron tab utility, which is used to set certain activities periodically. The references used for these sessions are Unix Concept and Programming by Das Sumitawa and A Practical Guide to Linux by Mark Sobel. Thank you.